Hi everybody, this is Joy Hall. Today I'm going to show you how you can turn your tire into a sport table. So what do you mean? This football season, they have a lot of things going on. So today I'm going to show you how you can turn your tire into a table with your girls, with your friends. So shall we begin? Screwdriver, electric one. I have two here just in case. You need 4 legs. You can buy any leg of your choice, but I like this one better. You need a stapler. Also, you need a tire. I've already washed it up. Make sure you wash it right. Then you need a plywood. I've already cut it already. You need 2 of these. You need your sport material. I'm going to be using like a Falcons Atlanta. To do this, I'm going to measure the length from here to here. Measure it from here all the way. And that's 86. Together, I'm going to put it right here on top of right here. I'm going to begin to staple it together. Now, I'm going to show you how we can make the top table. So, I don't have enough material, but you can use any of my material of your choice. I'm going to begin to staple the table. Put together. Okay, after the second plywood, I'm going to show you how you can make a different fit. This is the first one I show you. I'm going to divide it into 4. Use my screwdriver. Mark it to the wood. I'm going to screw this one over there. Exactly. Screw. This is what it looks like. So now I'm going to put it at the bottom of this tire. So I'll show you how it goes. I'm going to put it aside. I'm going to put it back here. Okay, I'm going to put it down here on the floor. I'll hide my leaf. Now put your stuff over here, along with your drink. No water, you can do whatever you can. Juice. Enjoy with your friend. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, like. Thank you, bye.